to say, all right, everybody falls in love with my AI, right? I need 1,000 users, right? I want 1,000, 10,000 other people to use my AI just like I'm using it, right? So I'm gonna do so we have to go off my computer because my CPU is not enough no more. Definitely not for a whole bunch of people to use it on my computer, right? Remote access. Everybody's not gonna remote access my computer because my computational power is not enough to run off 4,000 people, right? So that's why the next one is called cloud deployment. So now at that point, I put my AI to be accessed in the cloud. Cloud basically means it's not just going off of my CPU. It's going off of literally any cloud storage